Guys, so it's actually New Year's Eve again. I'm just here to watch the fireworks. So you guys are gonna see the fireworks. I'm currently at, where am I? Long Mountain. So let's go and watch the view. It's almost at 12. Alright, people, so it's actually the next day. People, tell you the truth, I actually came back home and I went to my bed. Period. So I'm just here for this, telling you guys some encouraging words. Seeing that we're going into New Year's together again, guys. You guys don't know how I really, really appreciate you and the constant support over the years. Mm, thank you as well. And what I want to tell you guys as well, people, I would like for you guys for the year 2023 to have a lot of health, wealth, and strength, okay? And just be grateful for life. No matter how it's small, people, just be grateful, because just know that even just know that people out there have it worse, okay? So anything you have, just be grateful and appreciate the people who are around you. All right, don't wait until certain circumstances to occur, then you want to show that you actually care for a person. So regardless of what, care for the person, check up on the person. Just to text somebody and say, hey, I hope you're alright. Person appreciate it, okay? So no matter how it, situation may be, just check up on somebody. You checking up on somebody can actually make somebody day turn good. All right, so that's what I gotta say. And and how did you guys celebrate your New Year's? Did you go to church? Did you go to fireworks, clubbings? Let me know what you guys did for your to bring in the New Year's. Um, what else I gotta say? Yeah, so I just really appreciate you guys, like for everything. Even though we're growing slowly, but even though we don't, I wanted us to grow a bit faster, but we're growing slowly but surely, right? So it's better we grow than be on one level, right? So I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much for the new subscribers. I do see y'all, okay? I see y'all. And I'm also seeing all the comments, people. Remember, I said I'm the type of person, if you're comment below, I try my best to, even if I don't get to comment back, I try my best to like all comments, okay? So interact with me. Boost up the channel, people. Remember, some I come back, because somebody going for a period of time, and they going to come and be stressed out. Anyways, I'm back. I'm better, okay, people? So yeah, so I'm gonna try to edit this vlog for you guys right now as I speak, because I'm actually planning to go on the road in the next hour or two, but that's for a different video. Stay tuned for that, and ensure that you follow me on all my social medias, okay, people? And rain don't bother falling now. Rain don't bother falling now. Oh, no, not bother fall. Oh, and people, if you guys see me in public, please don't stare. Just come to me. If you see my face like this, I want to smile, right? So if you just come to me, approach me, but not eat off on the head. And you get me? So just come say hi. So not to ramble, come after that video now for upload it for you guys now. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Give you that guys a video tomorrow. I might try to upload every day. Might. Wasn't guaranteed, but might. So I'll see you guys in my next upload. And remember, so people, ensure to like up the video, and subscribe. So bye.